Kinakabahan ka, ma?
Hindi.
Hindi ka kinakabahan. Ikaw?
Ang ano ko lang yung worried lang yung ano, kanina, nung bago, baka tayo makahaba yung mga pills.
Oh my god, it's still here. The food that helped me survive my first trip here in Japan. So I'm here in Japan, Tokyo, Japan, and we just stopped over for a meal. And I haven't been here for like almost 4 years, 3 years. And I'm just so happy that the food that I ate during my vlogs here in Japan in 2019 is still here. So I'm happy. If you're coming to Japan, make sure to stop by to 7-Eleven so you can buy all of these game credits, Amazon, Netflix, and Nintendo stuff. Okay, so we just arrived here in Shibuya, and I think the train station, or I mean the train that rode, we took is a little bit far from the one that I took last time that I was here, but we're already here in the Shibuya crossing. So yeah, I'm gonna show more footage of course, Hachiko and other stuff. Night. So you guys can see that's somehow the entryway into Shibuya. And if you're gonna be going here and it's your first time, make sure that you drop by at night because there's a lot of interesting things that are happening both from locals, tourists, and other international people. So, kamusta naman yung ramen nyo? So, lakad lang, sige. My carrot. Okay, time check. It's 11. It's 11 what? Something.
11 p.m. 11 oh something.
Right, so 11 p.m. So I hope you guys enjoy the scenery of Shibuya at night. Although we were able only to capture a few shots because we're too tired. It's almost close to 24 hours that we are awake. So how was the authentic ramen here in Tokyo?
Fantastic.
Fantastic. So that's the main reason why we went to Shibuya even though we're very, very tired. So yeah.
Were you able to take the video of
What?
us eating?
Yeah, I was able to. Here, come in.
Here?
Yeah, here. Okay, so we're heading back to our hotel. We've just reached Asakusa station. We're back here in Taito. Tomorrow, we're going to. Where are we going? Sensoji. So we're going to the famous tourist attraction here in Tokyo and some of the places where I was not able to go to last time that I was here. But considering that we're only here for 4 days, so it feels like it's a very short time again. But I'm gonna make sure that we will go back and take more videos. But for now, I'll be ending the vlog here. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. So peace out. Bye bye. This is me, Guyver. This is Guyver's mom. And this is Binibining Patatas. So I hope you guys enjoy a few more clips that I'll be showing you guys here in Tokyo.